Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learning with Kashish. Today we are going to learn how to conjugate verbs in Spanish. To communicate anything, verbs are very important. So there are certain rules in Spanish how we conjugate the verbs. Okay, so we will start with we have three type of verb in Spanish. One which is ending with er, another which is ending with r, and the other verb which is ending with ir, ir. So for example, we will take first verb which is hablar. This is most popular verb we use all the time. Hablar is to speak. To speak. So when we conjugate this verb, we have the ending is er, which I am saying ending, first ending. So first we will understand how to conjugate the verb with ending r. Okay. So first of all I will write I, you, yo, tu, then él, ella and usted. Usted to say something with respect to you form. Okay, and then nosotros. Nosotros is we, vosotros you all, and then ellos, ellas y ustedes. Okay, so in English if I want to say this is for I, this is for you, this is for he, she and you with respect. Okay, and this is we, you all. If so many people are there, we are addressing in a class or something. These are for they, and you with the respect. Okay, this is masculine they, this is feminine they. So this is how we write it. So I am going to erase this part. Now let's go for conjugation, how we conjugate this verb, and then we will make the sentence one by one. So for hablar, yo is, we will write hablo, tú hablas, then él, ella, usted habla, then nosotros hablamos, vosotros habláis, and this they form will be hablan. So there is a rule when we are doing conjugation for hablar or ar ending verb. So what we have to do, for example this is hablar, we have to remove this r. So this is habl, this one. Okay, so we have to add this one. If you can see, we are adding this. Okay, so the rule for conjugating the ar ending verb, I will write that in a clean way. See, for ar ending verb, hablar, hablar. Okay, remove this R and write yo hablo, tú hablas, then habla, hablamos, habla is, and hablan. Can you see there are few things which are common. First for habl, 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 and we are ending this with o, as, a, amos, ais, an. This is the rule for all regular verbs which are in Spanish when we conjugate, which are ending with ar. Ar ending verb will be conjugated with this rule. Okay, and then we will go for second rule, which is er ending verb. For example, we will take comer, comer, to eat. Okay, to eat we will say comer. We will say comer. So, how we conjugate this? Again, we will drop this er and let's write yo como, tú, as it is er ending verb, it will be a, then comes, then come, comemos, comeis, then comen. Okay, so again the rule is o, yo como, tú comes, él come, nosotros comemos, vosotros coméis, and ellos, ellas, and ustedes is comen. So, this is the regular ending verb for ending verb. So, we are go through with r, then then ir. We will make some sentences. I will make a table for this rule and then we will go further. So, the last is vivir, to live. Okay, ending verb is ir. This is ending with ir. So, the rule is we have to drop this ir and write this one for everything, right? Okay, like vivo, vives, vive, vivimos, vivies, viven. Okay, so here also you can say o, es, imos, and then is, then an. There is a common thing between ending verb and ir ending verb. These three and this one is same. The conjugation of yo, tú, él, ella, usted, ellos, Aejas and Ustadus is same, but Nosotros and Vosotros it is changed. This is emos and is. So remember this, most of the mistakes are here only. So this is how the rule for the regular verbs. So I will write now, I will make a table for 3 of them. Okay. So this is for L, then ir, R, L, ir. This is table. How we change this and what are the basic rule. Okay. This is O, O, O. Okay. As, A. You have to drop R and add this thing instead of this R. Okay. Amos, eyes, then on. Here S, A, emos, is, and then N. Here S, E, emos, is, and N. This is a this is a stress mark. You have to put some stress while saying this in Vosotras form. So this is the table which we use to conjugate the regular verb. In yo form, hablo, hablas, habla, hablamos, hablais, hablan. If I am saying comer, como, comes, come, comemos, comeis, comen. Then vivo, vives, vive, vivimos, vivis, viven. So if I want to say I live in Delhi, if I want to say I live in Delhi, how would I write? I is Jo and I form of vivir is to live. Okay. So when we conjugate this, in yo form, then it will become vivo. Jo vivo in Delhi. If I want to say you live in Delhi, then tu vives in Delhi. If I want to say they live in Delhi, so what I will say, they live in Delhi, we need not to say this. Okay, we can say vivo in Delhi, vives in Delhi. So if I want to say they live in Delhi, then I will say viven in Delhi. Similarly, we will give some example for eating also. For example, okay, if I want to say you all live in Delhi, then vivis in Delhi. Which form is this? This is vosotros. You all live in Delhi, vosotros form. And if I am saying we all live in Delhi, we live in Delhi, we live in, okay, we will say Hyderabad. Okay, so how we will say? Vivimos in Hyderabad. Okay, So similarly we can give the example of, like, if we want to say something about our verb, so you speak Spanish. Okay, so you speak Spanish, hablas español. Okay, so if I want to say do you speak Spanish, then also I will just hablas español, I will put question mark. Do you speak Spanish? Hablas español? Okay, if the answer you want to give, no, I don't speak Spanish, then no, no hablo español. So we have to use two time negative terms when we say the answer. Okay, so if we want to answer like that, in this way, whenever you are answering some question, you understand if question is asked that do you do that, so he is asking about you. When you are answering about yourself, so you have to answer about in the yo form. Okay, if and you have to check which form the question is and what answer exactly they are looking for. So in the similar way, if I am saying comer, do you eat fish, or do they eat fish? So how we will say eating के लिए we have used comer, and here is they form, so it will be they form. So comen, in they form, comen pescado, fish is pescado, comen pescado. Do you eat fish? Sí, como. Okay, if you eat, then you say sí, como, yes, I eat. If you don't eat, then say no, no como pescado. Okay, that's all for this lesson. I hope you understand how to conjugate r, er and ir. I'm just, these are some examples which I have given to you guys, and please go through the table which I told you. That is the rule which we use for regular conjugation of the verb. There are certain verbs which are irregular in yo form, and some of them are totally irregular. So some of them are called stem changing verbs also. I will make a separate video about those verbs, and will tell you how to conjugate them. And most of the verbs are like regular verb in Spanish. So for basic communication you can use these verbs, and you find out the list of the verbs in the Google or somewhere, and if they are regular, you conjugate with these rules, and try to make the sentences. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please like and share. And if there is any mistake in the video, because I am also a new learner, I am just practicing it and sharing it with you guys. So please forgive me, and suggest me in the comment section so that I can improve. Let's improve together. Thank you so much.